In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update the document title with a counter using the useEffect hook. The document title should be able to increment when a button is clicked, decrement when a button is clicked, and reset the value when the button is clicked. We created this project in the useEffect video. As you can see, the document title does not update. Now our focus in this video is to make it update by implementing the useEffect hook. So let's get started. In counterhook.js, we're going to import the useEffect hook from React. Now how do we use this in the code? Well, just like useState, useEffect is also a function. So down here above the return statement, we simply have to call it. Next, we pass in a function as our argument. This function we pass as our effect. Inside our effect, we set the document title using the document.title browser API. We then set it equal to template strings, you click $, curly braces, count times. From now on, when we click the increment, decrement or reset button, it will remember the effect we used, run our effect, and it will update the DOM. So let's take a look.